For people dealing with diabetes, having a reliable tool to signal dangerous highs and lows is key. More and more people are turning to a new tool to help, and we're talking about alert dogs.
That's right, but the question tonight is, do they work? 7 on your side, I-Team investigator Josie Sturman wanted to find out. Josie?
Well, Leon, at least some customers of a Virginia-based company would tell you no, they don't. They signed big contracts, and they claim they ended up with nothing more than just a pricey house pet.
I really thought that this was amazing, and it was probably the most special thing that anybody could give me.
At 11, this Virginia woman and others tell us their hope quickly turned to disappointment after they signed contracts for as much as $20,000 for those dogs. They hoped that working with a Virginia company that offers diabetic alert dogs would be the answers to their problems. For some clients it is. They call them a lifesaver and a blessing. We've heard from many of them. But the mixed reactions do make sense here, considering we discovered there is absolutely no standard, no testing, no qualification for this kind of service dogs, and it's a problem a local organization is trying to change.
It was hurting our industry, our reputation as dog trainers, that there's people out here representing puppies to be trained service dogs.
Tonight at 11 in our Alert Dogs Alert, the 7 on your side I-Team shows you what we found in the science behind at least one company's claims, and we'll let you know who else is investigating. Josie Sturman, ABC 7 News.
All right, thank you, Josie.